अच्छा यार ये बताओ इंडिया की ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज क्या है?
हिंदी
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 There is no official language whatsoever.
अच्छा इंडिया की नेशनल लैंग्वेज क्या है?
हिंदी
हिंदी
National language of India, I am not aware of that.
Sanskrit, Tamil, Kannada and Bengali are the oldest languages spoken in India. However, Hindi soon became the language of the common man with the dominance in the northern region of India. Deriving its roots from Sanskrit, Hindi has also taken over the regional languages in India and has the impression globally to be the national language of India. However, the recent row of being imposed in the southern region has fumed a lot of people, including political leaders and autowalas, and the discrimination of which is a common occurrence. Look at these videos.
हाँ बोला बोला हाँ बोला काय
हिंदी
म्हटलं
बोलेंगे
मराठीत बोला
नहीं बोलते
मराठीत बोला
नहीं बोलते
हाँ।
Why should I speak in Hindi?
ओके ओके
Why should I speak in Hindi?
कहता है कि अगर तुम्हें इस शहर में रह के कन्नड़ा नहीं आती तो मैं तुम्हें सस्पेक्ट कर सकता हूँ.
Recently, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin alleged that the imposition of Hindi as a third language via NEP 2020 is unfair. अब मुझे तो हिंदी और इंग्लिश के अलावा थोड़ी बहुत रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस आती हैं, बट व्हाट अबाउट दोज जो सिर्फ हिंदी पर निर्भर हैं and they move to a city जहाँ पे Hindi is not the native language. Today, through this video, we'll try to capture the POV of youth about this whole row and ask these questions to the people.
India is a country which has a lot of different states with different linguistics, and because of that, if we focus on one language, it would take a lot of heat and a lot of protest from the others, because it is basically favoring one over the other.
So India not having a national language, I think makes sense given our population and the milieu that we have.
It is fine to not have a national language because of the diversity of languages in India.
India is a union of states. That means it's inclusive, and that means that we respect every language enough to not choose one and give it a pedestal.
No, I do not think so. Large portion of the country speaks Hindi. A lot of other people have their own languages to cater to and their own traditions which are tied to those particular languages.
हमको इंग्लिश नहीं अडॉप्ट करनी चाहिए, हमको मेनली हिंदी आई गेस अडॉप्ट करनी चाहिए क्योंकि मेजॉरिटी हिंदी बोलते हैं. अब जो लोग नहीं बोलते उनको शायद सीखना पड़ेगा आई गेस.
You know, I am a Sardar, so you know, Punjabi. I live in Delhi, so I have to get accustomed to Hindi also. I hail from Nainital, so I also need an understanding of Kumaoni and the local Pahari language, that is. So, imposing and it is not necessary.
Do you know Bolivia has over 30 plus official languages and Argentina has none, with Spanish having the de facto status, while Sri Lanka has Sinhala and Tamil as their official language, and UK and US have English as de facto status, while a lot of countries have English as their official language.
If it is prescribing Hindi as a compulsory language, then I don't think it should be applicable all over India. I definitely feel that regional education should be highlighted there, especially since throughout the world many regional languages are dying. It's a documented fact. I think India's heritage needs to be preserved in that way.
Being a student of NEP itself, the people are given the provision to choose languages other than Hindi. My own friends are studying Urdu as well. So every language is being catered to.
Might be. I agree with that. सबको हिंदी इतनी इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है कि कॉलेज लेवल पे सबको पढ़ाई जाए.
It is just there to make people more aware about the languages. Suppressing a specific language is something I feel is not the motive of education.
what I do feel is that there is a two-way street, right? Respect is a two-way street. So if you are at a place that requires you to learn a little bit of that language, I think that would do your work.
I feel like people वहाँ इतना अडॉप्ट नहीं करते हिंदी लैंग्वेज को, तो जितना वो डिस्करेज करना चाह रहे हैं उतना गवर्नमेंट उन पे इम्पोज करती है.
It's not a language that's creating a divide, it's the people, right? It's the practices, and that's how we view these situations that create a divide. Language is just a medium of communication at the end of the day.
देखो मेरे हिसाब से ना लोगों को लड़ने का बहाना चाहिए.
A lot of people had a lot of opinions about the language row, about Hindi being imposed, about the regional languages and the conflict between southern and the northern region. But I know this for sure that the fabric of the country is too thick to be torn apart. And we'll continue to have unity in diversity.